graders. This work is for Tuesday, April 7th, and I have two things that I would like you to do today. The first one is you're going to look at the new targets, and you have seen plenty of targets throughout the school year, and we are going to, you're going to do this through Google Docs. So you can see right underneath where it says Tuesday, April 7th in Schoology, it says Sound and Light targets. Now when you click on this, as you know, it's going to open up your own copy of the Sound and Light targets. Here it comes. And it's set up just like it has been all year. So you're going to focus on the left-hand column, the before column. So you're going to mark where you think you are with each target. So I'm going to read the first one here for you. I can identify and explain when light rays reflect, refract, and are absorbed. If you're thinking, I have no idea what that means, I have no clue, just gonna put an X in that box. Okay. I can explain how color of an object is determined by which colors are reflected and absorbed. Maybe I think I know a little bit about this, so I can do this with help. Okay, you get the idea. So you're gonna go through all of the targets, and you are just gonna mark, you're gonna rank yourself. There's no right or wrong answer. And then you do not need to submit this assignment because we'll do the after in a couple of weeks. Okay, after you do your targets, there's one other thing I would like you to do, and it's called Can It Reflect Light? So when you open this, again, it will make you a copy. And this is something that I want you to complete today and submit it. Okay. You can see here, I already have two X's in this column because I've messed up this video several times. So this is like take 5. Okay, can it reflect light? What types of objects or materials can reflect light? Put an X next to the things that you think can reflect light. Okay, so there's all sorts of objects here. A whole list of 20-some objects. And you're going to try and figure out, you're going to decide which ones reflect light. Now the very first one here, water. When I think about water, and I've been to a pool or a beach before, and I've seen my reflection in the water, or maybe even in water in your driveway, I know that water reflects light, so I'm going to put an X right there. I'm going to ask myself, does a gray rock reflect light? What do you guys think? Okay, I'm going to let you decide that one. Then you're going to go to the next one. A leaf. Does a leaf reflect light? Does a mirror reflect light? Well, I think you would know that yes, a mirror reflects light. And then you're going to go down through each of these objects. Now, maybe a gray rock and a leaf do reflect light. You might choose to mark those. That's fine. Now, I am not grading this. I'm just wanting to see what you guys are thinking about reflection of light. So when you get through all of these objects, down here is the part that I know some of you are going to go, oh. I want you to explain your thinking. What was the rule or reasoning you used to decide if something could reflect light? Because there had to have been something that made you say, oh yeah, that reflects light. Oh, this doesn't reflect light. So notice it says, yes, I expect you to write in complete sentences. When you are finished with your answer, submit this assignment. So maybe I start by saying, it's in all caps. When I looked at the list of objects, I was able to easily decide if objects reflect light. I know that blank, blank, blank. Maybe you know a certain type of object reflects light, or just from your experience, you know what reflects light. Okay, so again, once you finish your paragraph, you're going to submit this, and then you are done for Tuesday, April 7th. See you tomorrow.